Growing up in a village not too far out of Nosori town, a career in service and in transportation is one Malahale Walu was drawn to from a very young age.
My father is just a farmer. My mother worked at TLTB until she retired in 1998. And but in 1993 they bought a minibus. I started off with minibus driving from 1994 until I got into taxi business, and that's where I begin my journey with taxi business.
Through the years, Halewalu built a network of people within the taxi industry in the local area and soon began their journey to have their own business.
We were actually looking for a place to start our base, because we wanted to own a place so we can manage it by ourselves. Before we were just renting out at the Nosori old bus stand before. After that they closed the base. We moved on to another one beside the post office, which belongs to East West. We were renting there. After 1 year, then we managed to find this place. And we were very fortunate that the landowners are willing to give us this place so we can start off our taxi base.
The challenges that come with trying to remain relevant in the industry is what drove Halewalu and his network of friends to open up their own taxi venture, now called Ngaunandivi.
The challenges is just a competition with other taxi bases. That's one thing that we emphasize in our meetings with all our drivers and all of us here, that we have to be efficient and reliable service provider. And you know, most of the time, passengers, our customers, they call us back, thanking us for our service, and you know, it makes us proud. When we started here, we went through a lot. Authorities, they wanted to come and close down our operation, but we were just taking everything easy and doing everything according to law.
The team of drivers at Ngaunandivi hope to one day have taxis of their own and raise the standard of taxi service in the country. Lena Rees, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.